Hi y'all, Renee here. I am here to put together the Wander card making workshop. These cards look so cute. Look at that. And this comes with not an exclusive stamp set and die set, and it's very unusual. Here are the dies and the stamp set. I've used it already, so it's kind of messy, so this is probably a better way to see it. Really, really fun, and I love this little stamp. I used it for a lot already, and it's very, very useful and easy to line up, very forgiving when you're doing like background and borders. So I have already cut out everything I need to make 4 of each card for a total of 16 cards from this kit. I've done all of my stamping. The stamping was done with Glacier, Sapphire, and Sundance, so really fun color palette. Very masculine, and a lot of times it's hard to find masculine cards. The kit also comes with some glitter gems, so I'll be using those. Put those off to the side. And the feature technique was sponging. This is our sponge. I have had this thing for years. I just cut off little pieces when I need to use it. I started by cutting it in half and using it for one color, and I marked the color, but what I found is you only need a little tiny piece. So now I just chop off little pieces when I need to use it for sponging, but it works really well. So I am going to go ahead, get started putting this together, and I will be back at the end to show you the completed cards. I hope you enjoy. These were really fun, really easy. So I'll give you a close-up look of each one. This one was really fun. This is that background stamp that I showed you in the beginning. Just real forgiving, real easy to make your own background. And then this one. Now this one, I think I'm missing some of the clouds, so I'll probably die cut some more clouds and put them on there. But there's that one. Then this one. And this has some of the sponging there at the bottom. This one had sponging underneath the mountains and around the edges. You could also sponge around all of these. I think it would have looked nice to sponge around that lighter color because it's real hard to see. And then this one. And with this one, I waited until I put it together to do the sponged blue in the background. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see. You might be able to see it on that one the best. It's really subtle, but in person you can really see it. So, and the other thing I noticed is that when I cut these, I must have cut these wrong because they weren't the right size. The other thing I would probably do with this card is I would build everything first right here so that you can trim it to make it even on both sides, and then glue it down, do your sponging, and then put your pieces on. But I think these turned out really, really nice. I have some of the glitter gems still left, so I'm going to put those in my stash to use on another project. And let me show you how much paper I have left. It used almost all the paper. I have a good amount of this this Sundance paper left, a little bit of the, I think this is mink, so it's a, might be the white, I'm not sure, and then a little tiny bit of this printed paper left and one zip strip left. So I could probably get a couple more cards out of these supplies, but there's that, 16 cards, that's not bad. And I still have, of course, the stamp set that I can use for other projects. And I've seen some ideas where people turned this into a shaker, where you cut it out, the negative space, and then turn that part into a shaker. I think that would be really fun to do. So I might do that with this particular stamp set. And I also, that sun and the moon and the clouds, those are going to be really handy for all kinds of other projects. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, just please leave me a comment down below and I'll be happy to get back to you. And I hope you're having a great day. If you haven't already subscribed, if you would push that red button and subscribe, that would be awesome. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up and I'd love to hear from you. Hope you have a great day and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.